welcome to Rev Sports. We're here outside of the Arun Jaitley Stadium, and what we witnessed today is absolute madness. Virat Kohli returning back to the domestic circuit after more than a decade, and with him returned thousands and thousands of fans. I'll go to Rohit first on this. Rohit, can you sum up what you've seen today? We're seeing some loud cheers for Virat Kohli as he's just exited from here. But at the same time, how do you explain this craze?
So the day starts at 3 a.m. for the fans. You know,
My
3
God.
a.m. it is for a entry which started somewhere around 8:45 to 9 a.m.
Yeah.
And after that, we have seen, you know, it's a clear buzz of Virat Kohli. You know, some RCB chant, some Virat Kohli. Mostly, you know, it's a RCB chant all over. All over this place. And you know, with that, you have two gates. Gate number 16, gate number 17. Everyone is waiting for them to, you know, open that and just for an entry. They were waiting for just for an entry. And before that, what we saw is absolute craze for Virat Kohli. For RCB also, no one is talking about the Delhi versus Railway game.
No
it was
one.
only about the RCB. It was only about the Virat Kohli factor here. You know, after that, the way I think Virat Kohli reciprocated with the fans, the way he communicated with the fans, I think that made the day of each and every fan. You know, we've been talking to a lot of fans, and they were absolutely saying that, you know, it's all about those little gestures, more than 10 gestures in a day. You know, we saw, you know, Virat Kohli doing that for Indian team also when he was with Indian team, just to build up the energy for the bowler, just to build up the game. But here he was completely having a one-on-one somewhere around like where we were sitting. There were a little fan, and he waved at her, and you know, so it was more of a one-on-one conversation, or for a larger group, the way he was having these conversations with with the eye-to-eye contact, or with a wave, or the kind of body language, you know, he used to. So quite fun, and from ball one to the last ball of the day, it was one thing which was constant, that the chants of Virat Kohli.
Absolutely, and I think you bring up a great point here when you talk about how Virat Kohli was actually interacting
Yes.
with the fans. He had fielded throughout the boundary, in the slips as well, on mid-on, mid-off as well. But he was very aware of the fact that the crowd is there to see him and him only, and he was constantly interacting with the fans, talking to them. I think he signed some autographs or
Yes.
something as well
Yes.
while he was fielding. So he was very reciprocative. Otherwise, you don't see such an engaging.
There was a
Virat
pitch
Kohli.
invasion also.
There was a pitch invasion also.
And he didn't took it at
No,
offense
at
at
all,
all.
at all.
He
Not
knew
at all.
that he was coming for him.
Yeah.
Because in Indian team, yes, there could be a factor, might be coming for Rohit, but he knew from the very start that
It was for
was
him.
coming for him. But he just stopped there. He wanted to do that guy what he wanted to do. He wanted to touch his feet, and he quite strongly touched his feet. And then when the guards were carrying him away, he was very gentle with the guards, while saying that, just his body language was telling us that he was saying this, आराम से करना जो भी करना है. उसके बाद क्या हुआ, we can't say that.
Yeah.
But overall, it's a day where if you are a Virat Kohli fan, forget about just for a moment, forget about you're an Indian cricket fan. Just remember this day for if you are a Virat Kohli fan. And if you missed out today, I can completely say this, that don't regret it, because tomorrow be a much bigger event as far as this game is concerned, because no one is here. Means obviously they wanted to see him, but the first priority is we want Virat Kohli to bat. And that's going to happen tomorrow, Gargi.
And you know what I'm afraid of, because what we saw today, the Gautam Gambhir stand completely filled up.
Yeah.
The Bishan Singh Bedi lower tier completely filled up. There
Yes.
was a bit of a crowd
In the upper tier also.
In the upper tier also. But from
And at the old clubhouse stand also.
Absolutely. And from what we've spoken to with Rohan Jaitley,
Yes.
is the fact that the other stand is actually under renovation, and
Yes.
it cannot be opened up.
Yeah, and Gagi, the most important point is, on that day he said that be it 10,000, be it more than 10,000,
We are
will
prepared.
let them in. We
Yes.
won't stop them, because earlier there were reports that only 10,000 people are allowed. But he said on that very day, on our interviews also, off the record with us also, that be it 10,000, whoever want to watch this game,
You are welcome.
till the very last inch
Yeah.
of the Firoz Shah, this Arun Jaitley Stadium, which can be used at this point of time, because seriously, on the back tiers of the upper stand, it's a work that is going on for the IPL. So that can miss out. But apart from that, each and every part of the stadium, if they have to, allow people from outside, they will do that. That Mr. Arun Jaitley said in our interview.
Absolutely. And final question to you, Rohit. You know what? We were all sitting there witnessing this madness that's going on, and all I was thinking about is domestic cricket has been missing this sort of attention for so long. Because there is top quality cricket there.
This is once
in a lifetime.
Once in a lifetime, or once in a generations for me. Because talking to a lot of journalists here, they said who were covering the Ranji Trophy for 20-25 years, more than 2 decades.
Yes.
And I've been covering it from 2017. I haven't seen anything like that. It's been 7-8 years. But for them to watch nothing. Yes, I remember one incident when Lahali Sachin Tendulkar came to play his last game. There were also quite a lot of people, at least, and that was Lahali. This is Delhi. The connectivity is really well. So as far as the crowd engagement, the crowd, the kind of crowd we expected there at the Lahali, yes, a big crowd there also. But the kind of buzz, the kind of environment, the kind of, the ambience of this Arun Jaitley Stadium, we only witness this in an international match. And in an international exciting match, if there are 2 top teams are playing, if it's a India versus Netherlands, no, you can't have this kind of buzz. So I think the kind of buzz it created, the kind of message it sent all around pan-India, that if your top players are going to play the Ranji Trophy, look what we can do.
Exactly, and only the BCCI benefits. So it's positive.
Not only the BCCI, but the players and each and the administrator, everyone. The entire ecosystem, yes.
Because youngsters will be rubbing shoulders with Virat Kohli. You saw Ayush Badoni next to Virat Kohli.
Yeah.
Obviously, he'll be soaking in anything that he can.
Yesterday, Yashdul posted a picture in Instagram where Virat was holding his hand in a warm-up game.
Yeah, exactly.
In a warm-up, this close football touch game. So that's what meant. That's what Virat Kohli by their side meant. So I think that picture sums it all, Jarvi.
Absolutely, and we'll all be taking away a lot from this, but there's more to come tomorrow because Virat Kohli will be batting, and it will be interesting to see how many fans show up tomorrow. So we'll be here. Don't forget to join us in the morning at 9 a.m. We'll be live. Thank you so much, Rohit, for joining, and to everyone who's watching, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned.
Thank you.